Good day, Ma'am Gladys. I would like to share my formation-oriented religious education, or you can say it for learning experience. This semester and my significant learnings from each module. This semester, my experience has been meaningful, reflective, and life-changing in many ways. It was not just about studying lessons or completing requirements, but about understanding myself, my faith, and my role in the world. Through our discussions, activities, and reflection, I learned to see God's presence in my daily life, especially in moments of joy, struggle, and growth. Fore helped me reflect and become more aware of how my action affect others and how my faith shall guide my decision. One of the most important things I learned in all of the silo that we tackle, silo, predicere, benedicere, is a continuous process. It does not stop inside the classroom. Instead, it challenged me to grow as a whole person, spiritually, emotionally, and morally. I realized that my relation with God should reflect in how I treat people, how I handle responsibilities, and how I respond to challenges. And it made me more closer to God because of all the activities that we do. Like in the we give food to the kids, and we let them play in our benedicture. And it's a fun experience, and it made me realize that even small things matters. All of the it's I'm happy to see that the children is happy too. It's like they are appreciating what we've done. And it's kinda heartwarming to me. That's all, miss. Thank you po.